Hello and welcome. In this video, I present two different versions of Zen Orchestra, Zoa. First version is this official version of Zoa. Installation is super simple. The second option is to look for an option from GitHub. There are many different versions available. I selected this Zoa GitHub because it got features like backup, which is on the official version under license. So, how to deploy the official version of Zoa on our fresh XCP-ing installation? Simply open the browser and go to your XCP-ing server IP, like my is the end of 0.20 and you see this page. Start quick deploy. Set root and root password. Next select storage target where this Zoa VM will be created. Then select the proper network. I got a second NIC for storage traffic. Then IP address and mask and etc. Then set web GUI admin user and console user. Set both, otherwise you need to reset the password for the console. Zoa installation starts on background and later you can access it. This happens it won't set Zoa console user and password. So how to set password afterward? First, you need UUID from Zoa VM and it can see here. Then use this command with your UUID and your secret password. Next open SSH connection to your XCP-ing server for running this command. After command is execute reboot Zoa server. Let's retry login to Zoa server. Now password works. Community Edition installation is more complex than official. I choose this particular version has backup feature enabled, but there are other versions available. What this required is that you have one Ubuntu or Debian host on your XCP-ing server/cluster for this. Use XCP-ing Center or other tools to create Ubuntu/Debian server for this. After you have installed Zoa server otherwise ready for installing Zoa tool on it. Most of this solution there is one line command to deploy Zoa on your server. Installation take about 8 minutes to complete. Then open browser to navigate on your Zoa server. Check default admin user and password from the end of the installation. First, what you need to do is add your XCP-ing host on Zoa. Set label name and XCP-ing server information like IP and press connect button. Then allow unauthorized certificates from your XCP-ing server. Then you can start controlling your XCP-ing server from Zoa. Let's make a quickly comparison of these two. Main feature between these is backup feature. On CE Versio you can create backup task for VMs. Zen feature is free up 50 GB on both. Then dashboard have nice graphics enabled on CE version. Thanks for watching and see you soon.